If you believe these 3 myths about making money online, you will never get started, let alone succeed. And honestly, that's exactly what the system wants you to believe. So before I hear you say, this isn't for me, let's bust some myths, because if I believed them, then I'd still be stressed about money today. So truth be told, I used to think making money online was for the tech wizards, the young influencers, or people with a ton of extra time. Man, oh man, was I wrong. So let's dive into these 3 myths. Myth number 1, it's too late for me. This one drives me nuts. People tell me all the time, I wish I'd started years ago, or I'm too old for this internet stuff. But think about this. No one ever says, I wish I'd waited longer to start making money. But they do say, I wish I had started sooner. And you know what? I know people in their 50s, 60s, and 70s who are making an extra $3,000, $5,000, even $10,000 a month online because they stopped waiting and they started learning. So if you're watching this and if you have a phone or a laptop, you use the internet every day. You buy things online, right? So why wouldn't you make money online? So the real question it's how much longer do you want to wait? Myth number 2, I need to be tech savvy. Let me guess. You think making money online means coding, running ads, complicated ads, or learning some complicated, crazy software. But here's the thing. If you can send a text message, if you can check Facebook, you already have the skills to start. You know what? When I first started, I barely knew how to copy and paste. Now, I have a business that's working even when I'm off making memories and doing fun stuff, spending time with my family and my friends. See, the problem isn't that making money online is hard. The problem is maybe you're trying to figure it out alone, wasting time, getting overwhelmed, which can be huge, and then you quit. But what if you had a simple, proven way to build a business and make money online? You know, think of it like as a shortcut. So you don't have to wait months or years trying to figure it all out. Because unfortunately, that's what I did. Don't do what I did. And that's exactly why I love what I do now. I don't have to guess. I don't have to just wing it. I don't have to spend hours every day grinding. And you know what? It's pretty freaking awesome. I am not going to lie. And so I'm going to say, I wish I found this sooner. Okay, myth number 3 is online income isn't real. This one totally cracks me up. I mean, if I had $1 for every time someone said that, making money online is a scam. You know what? If I heard that all the time, I hear that all the time, I wouldn't need to make money online. So have you ever considered this? Amazon makes money online. So does Uber, Airbnb, your bank. Everything is moving online. So why would making money online be any different? Think about it. If the internet wasn't a real way to earn, why do millions of people do it? You know, this might sting a little bit, but the real scam is working for 40 years for a paycheck that barely covers life. So online income isn't just real, it's smart. Why? Because you get to work less and earn more. And instead of trading time for dollars, you set up income streams that work for you. And here's the kicker. The sooner you start, the sooner you can actually have financial peace of mind. Waiting another year, another 5 years, that's the real risk. You know what? I used to doubt this too, but once I got around people who were actually doing it, everything changed. And now I help others make that shift too. Okay, so let's recap and set the record straight. It's too late for me? Wrong. The best time to start was yesterday, and the second best time is now. Myth number 2, I need to be tech savvy. Nope, wrong. You just need a step-by-step system. Number 3, online income isn't real. It is real. It's as real as your last Amazon order. The only thing standing between you and financial freedom isn't age, tech skills, or luck. It's the decision to start. So if you're ready to stop believing the myths and all the garbage that's out there that people are saying and start making real money online, drop ready in the comments. I'll personally send you the details on how to get started. You know what? If you're not interested, that's fine too. But don't come back and blame me later. So let's make this year the year that you finally take control. I'll see you in the next video.